Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. I was always curious about banjo, but never seemed to have the opportunity to sit down with one. One day, the parent of one of my young students was looking around the studio and said, "Hey, you have a lot of instruments in here, but I don't see a banjo." Well, I said, I always wanted a banjo, but I have never seen one for sale at a price that I was willing to pay. And he said, well, I have an old one lying around in the way in my workshop at home. Why don't I just give it to you? I said, tell you what, you give me that banjo and you don't pay a dime for lessons next month. He said, you have a deal. He brought it over the next week. It is a no-name banjo, and it was pretty grimy. I took it apart, cleaned it, put a new head on it, and restrung it. And it turned out to be a pretty decent instrument. So now it's time for my first self-taught banjo lesson. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.